Next, we are going to see how to print variable values in Python. So here I'm taking a variable name to which I'm giving value Ram. Another variable I'm taking here is age, and here I'm giving integer value to it, that is 9. And third variable I'm taking is marks, to which I'm giving value 88.9. It's a floating point value. Now we need to print this variable. So for that we are using print, and first of all we have to print name variable. We want the value of name variable, so we will give name. Second, we want to print the value of age variable, so here we'll write age. And third, we need to print the value of marks variable, so here is our marks variable. Save it and then run it. So here we can see that it has printed the value of name, that is Ram, age, that is 9, and marks, that is 88.9.